Welcome back to our channel, the channel for the news and romantic stories about Catherine, the Princess of Wales and her royal family. Today I bring you news. William's failed cooking moment stole the hearts of fans as Catherine giggles at him. Princess Catherine can't stop laughing in a viral clip of Prince William's kitchen disasters. Fans have compiled a series of against one another situations between the combative royal pair and shared them online, with the emphasis being on Catherine, the Princess of Wales, and her response to Prince William's cooking talents. Throughout their 12 years of getting married, the royal couple have made public displays in which they showcased their culinary abilities. However, Catherine has often come out on top. Dame Mary Berry, presenter of the Great British Bake Off, has met the young princess on many times and spoken with her about the princess's love for cooking. During January, William had been heard praising his partner's abilities at a social event, following the trip to the children's charity in Windsor, Berkshire, the United Kingdom. He was talking about how great a cook she was. To which he replied, "Catherine is excellent though," he continued. "I perform somewhat of baking, but not many. I don't know how to cook steak." William chimed in, "To improve, you could say something like, 'My cuisines come out of a very dry and lumpy. I've needed to get them started.'" The latest viral footage published on TikTok before July the 30th by an account shows Catherine's hilarious response to William's cooking efforts during visits. The video compilation spans the couple's nearly 6 years of marriage and opens when Catherine, giggling at William's pretzel endeavour throughout the couple's official trip to Germany in 2017. While visiting the historic city of Heidelberg in southern Germany, the duo was given the opportunity to try their hand at shaping the customary bread. That is accomplished with a single quick-skilled action. William was unsuccessful in learning the technique, whereas Catherine seemed to have a better grasp on it. The following video is from 2021 and was recorded in the Scottish city of Edinburgh, at the royal residence of Holyrood House. They met ladies from the Sikh community and learned to make chapatis, a form of flatbread. Both of the royal couple had to make their own chapati from scratch. William playfully asked Catherine for advice as she carefully shaped her loaf of bread into a beautiful round. During 2023, as a component of a brief movie commemorating the 75th anniversary of the establishment of Britain's National Health Service, the final position of the viral video was made available. The royal couple shocked patients as well as staff by showing up to assist prepare and decorate cupcakes for an unannounced tea party in honour of the occasion. The princess could be spotted smiling at her husband's face as she attempted to use the frosting bag less precisely than Catherine. Nearly 18,000 people have liked the video on TikTok, and there have been hundreds of comments, many of which compliment the royal couple on their capacity to joke around with each other. "Constantly ready to poke fun at him. I like it a lot," gushed one of Catherine's users. "Adorable," another user commented. "Work succeeds best with jokes," followed by, "I adore them very much." William and Catherine's rivalry extends beyond their cooking habits to their public appearances. During duties, the pair has faced off against one another on several occasions, most notably in 2017 throughout the relay competition that Prince Harry ultimately won. In recent years, an offshore sailing competition was held in the Bahamas to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II. In March of 2022, William became victorious. After the race, during a reception for dignitaries, he mentioned the victory and how the racing on the island made him think of his late grandpa, Prince Philip. "Catherine and I remembered him today as we raced sloops off the Montague beach to mark the revival of the sport. There, he would have been at home, as William put it, and the final tally of the race, it's your best interest to use discretion. Even more so, you came in first and your partner has finished dead last." We appreciate you taking the time to view today's video. Describe the touching moment between the Prince and Princess of Wales. It appears like an average pair like every one of us. If you have any last ideas or comments, please share them with us.